Step into the realm of cutting-edge spy cameras for cars in 2024, where innovation meets top-notch security. These inconspicuous cameras have undergone remarkable advancements, now offering features such as high-definition video recording, GPS tracking, night vision capabilities, and even smart connectivity. Whether you seek to protect your vehicle from theft, monitor driving habits, or capture unforgettable road trip memories, these compact and discreet cameras have covered you. We have listed the top 5 best spy cameras for cars in 2024 and their dominant features so that you can make an informed decision. We have also included the link to each spy camera in the description box so you can purchase them directly without any kind of inconvenience. Number 1 is the 4K HD Spy Hidden Camera. The 4K HD Spy Hidden Camera is one of the most comfortable and versatile additions to cars in 2024. This discreet and powerful mini wireless camera is specifically designed to provide top-tier surveillance in your vehicle, ensuring that no crucial moments go unnoticed. With an impressive standby time of 90 days, thanks to its high-quality 3000 mAh rechargeable battery, you can rest assured that you won't miss any important events, whether you require 24/7 monitoring or a continuous 18-hour recording spree. This camera sets a new standard for reliability, ensuring that you won't miss any important information. With its 4K resolution and wide-angle 160-degree lens, it offers a vast field of view and captures even the tiniest details with impeccable clarity. And when the sun goes down, its night vision mode takes over, allowing you to see up to 26 feet in complete darkness, ensuring the security of your car day and night. With its remarkably discreet design, this mini spy camera measures a mere 1.54 by 1.54 by 1.54 inches. The user-friendly app, which supports up to 4 cameras, ensures effortless monitoring. Share this incredible experience with your family and enjoy seamless live streaming from anywhere. If you're interested in this Wi-Fi wireless hidden spy camera, check out the link in the description box below. Number 2 is the Fomi Mini Indoor Camera. In the fast-paced world of 2024, when it comes to monitoring your car, the spy cameras for cars have emerged as the solution to meet your security needs. This miniature marvel showcases a discreet design, boasting a tiny form factor measuring only 1.55*0.66 inches. With a 1920*1080p resolution, it ensures crystal-clear video recording. Its compact size allows for effortless concealment within your car, making it virtually undetectable. This camera operates on a 2.4 GHz frequency, providing the flexibility to live stream anywhere worldwide. With a wide 120-degree viewing angle and a battery life of up to 70 minutes, it delivers exceptional performance. It also supports SD card storage of up to 128 GB, and its automatic night vision with 4 infrared IR lights ensures high-quality footage even in low-light conditions. The Fomi Mini Indoor Camera is an impressive device packed into a compact package. It comes equipped with a 300 mAh battery, providing up to 1 hour of continuous recording. If you need extended usage, simply connect it to a 10,000 mAh battery pack, not included, and now you can record for up to 40 hours or keep it operational 24/7. If you want to purchase this hidden spy camera right now, then check out the link given in the description box. Number 3 is the MiniCam Hidden Spy Small Camera. When it comes to enhancing your car's security and surveillance in 2024, the MiniCam Hidden Spy Small Camera deserves its spot among the top contenders, and for good reason. With its compact and discreet dimensions of 3.66 by 2.56 by 2.44 inches, the MiniCam Hidden Spy Small Camera seamlessly integrates into your car's interior, providing unparalleled covert surveillance. The 180-degree wide-angle view ensures complete coverage of your car's interior, eliminating any blind spots. Due to its SD card recording capability, it remains efficient even in areas with weak or no signal. By supporting a micro SD card of up to 128 GB, not included, you can securely store crucial footage for future reference. The MiniCam Hidden Spy Small Camera is compatible with the V380 Pro app. By downloading the app and configuring it with your router's 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, you can remotely monitor your car from anywhere in the world. The two-way audio capability allows you to keep an eye on passengers or communicate remotely. With its incredible versatility, this camera offers an exceptional surveillance solution. And if you like this spy hidden camera, be sure to check out the link in the description box below. Number 4 is the Mini Spy Nanny Hidden Camera. The Mini Spy Nanny hidden camera is an optimistic addition to the top spy cameras for cars in 2024. This compact surveillance device is crafted to meet your car security needs precisely. It boasts a high-quality optical lens that offers an impressive 150 degrees wide-angle field of view, ensuring that you capture every intricate detail. This versatile camera effortlessly captures stunning 12MP instant photos and stable 1080p Full HD videos, ensuring true colors and preserving intricate details. Even in the darkest nights or low-light conditions, its 6 built-in IR LED lights come to the rescue, capturing clear images without any flicker while remaining invisible to the human eye. The Mini Spy Nanny hidden camera is always vigilant, equipped with a 140-point motion sensor that promptly records FHD videos upon detecting any movement. It boasts an efficient, long-lasting built-in lithium-ion battery that can run for up to 90 minutes, perfect for keeping a watchful eye on your car. It also includes a 32GB high-speed SD card, eliminating the need for additional investments. With compact dimensions of 3 by 2 by 1 inches, this camera perfectly suits your car's security needs in 2024. To get this spy camera right now, click on the link in the description box below. Number 5 is the Msaki upgraded 1080p camera. Introducing the upgraded Msaki 1080p camera, one of the finest car spy cameras of 2024. The Msaki camera is equipped with a state-of-the-art image sensor that allows you to capture ultra-high-definition live footage at 1080p resolution. With a wide viewing angle of 150 degrees, it ensures you won't miss a thing. Even in low-light conditions, the camera delivers clear and detailed images. Whether it's day or night, this camera has you covered. With the dedicated app, you can effortlessly connect to your car's Wi-Fi, ensuring uninterrupted access to real-time images from anywhere. The app operates on a reliable 2.4 GHz network, ensuring a seamless experience. Further, the automatic infrared night vision feature guarantees round-the-clock security for your vehicle. The Msaki camera excels in night vision mode, capturing crystal clear and high-quality videos, even in low-light conditions. With a range of 25 feet, it effectively records any movement within its vicinity. Setting up the Msaki camera is a breeze, unlike other spy cameras that often require complex procedures. Its compact dimensions of 3.74 by 2.6 by 2.52 inches ensure it remains discreet within your car's interior without compromising on functionality or performance. So, to buy this Wi-Fi spy camera, check out the link mentioned in the description box below. After reviewing each of the top 5 best spy cameras for cars in 2024, you now have a clear idea of which one you should go for. No matter what your surveillance needs are, one of these best spy cameras should definitely fulfill them. With their top-notch features, you can now enjoy peace of mind knowing that your car is always protected. Hope you have found this video to be valuable and informative. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For the latest updates and more such videos, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, take care.